Hey guys, Jason Guyman here again for another helpful tip trick to help your business grow. So this tip is about how we keep our tanks from sloshing, especially some of you guys that use the bigger, the 275 gallon tanks that make your truck feel like you're going to get seasick when you're driving down the road, stopping and all that water sloshing. And really it's not good on a lot of things. It takes a toll on your brakes, on your transmission, all that kind of stuff. So here's a way that we use. You can either go to Home Depot and get what you want is the 4-inch corrugated pipe with the holes in it. And then usually you find this out in the drain section. I'll put a link to it down below through Amazon. But you can also get this at Home Depot, Lowe's. It's about the same price wherever you go. It used to be cheaper than what it is now, but this is what we do when anytime we have tanks sloshing, and this works good, and it really doesn't take up that much space of water. People say use silk fence, different things. The problem about silk fence, I've tried it, that plastic breaks down, and when it starts to break down, it'll actually go through your pump, and then it clogs up the little check valves, and then your gun starts feeling like a machine gun instead of a pressure washing gun. But with that being said, I'm going to kind of show you how to do it and be doing it that way. So this is actually a tank that was on my old gray truck here. We went to the smaller buffer tank that's got a 35 gallon on it now. It's only got a 5 gallon a minute pump on it. It used to have 2 8 gallons a minute, and we did a lot of commercial work with it there for a while, and that's why we had the 2 8 gallon a minute pumps on it with the bigger buffer tank. But now that we got the 5 gallon a minute, 35 gallon buffer tank has been fine, worked great for it. So that's why this tank is on the ground. But what you want to do is you're going to just start shoving this hose down into there. And like I say, you want to make sure it's got the slits in it. It's the corrugated, it's for like French drains and that kind of stuff. And like I say, I'll put the links down below. But what you do is you just start shoving it down in there. And once if you get it so far and you can't get it no further, what you can do is just cut it. You can take a sharp knife, razor blade, and cut it. You can take a saw. The problem with saws is sometimes you can get some crud down in there, so I recommend using a sharp knife and cut. And once you just shove it down in there, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like down in there. I don't know if I'll be able to get a good picture of it. So this is what it kind of looks like down in the tank. And this will keep it from sloshing. And you don't have to have it all the way full. You can kind of see right there where it is. And you don't have to just do it on the bigger tanks. We have a 50 gallon tank, just the way it's designed and the way I put it on the truck. If it's half full with soap, bleach in it, it'll do the same thing. It'll get that sloshing motion going. You can fill that thing full of it and be done with it. It works great. I have had no problems with it. I've been running about 3 years this way, so it works awesome to keep the slosh down. But like I say, this is how I make baffles in my tank. You can pay lots of money and have baffles put in. You can buy the little football looking things. But they're pretty expensive. But hope that helps you out. Please like and subscribe, and have a great day. Thank you.